want no drama, ma.
Hey guys, so I'm in the college now. I'm in studio because I have to like work on my concept boards and stuff for this project. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I know like the vlogging has been so bad recently because I've just been so crazy with this project. But yeah, I'll kind of give you like a kind of look to see what I've done so far and what I've left to do and kind of behind the scenes of the college project. So at the minute I'm just like making up the concept board. So these are all like the kind of pieces of furniture that I'll be using in the first concept, and then I'll just be putting them onto this sheet here and just displaying them nicely. And I've also done an example of what the concept would look like in this space, like so the furniture and just like kind of scale and stuff. Because it's a designer that is going to be living here, so it has to be like his style. And then there's this like kind of like some more stuff up there, kind of a background of his personality and stuff, and like sample of his work. And then there's the mood board as well, and then it's all together and it'll look super cool. Hey guys, so I just wanted to actually say welcome back to another week's vlog. I forgot to say it yesterday when I was in college. I don't think, was it yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday. But yeah, so I forgot to say like welcome back to another week's vlog. Today I am going to the dentist. I'm not looking forward to it at all, but you know what? It's gotta be done. So I'm only going for a checkup to see like what I need to get done or whatever. But I know I'm definitely have to get fillings and stuff like that, like the pretty standard stuff. But I'm hoping all goes well and I have to go on my own because like I'm an adult now and stuff. But yeah, I was gonna film a video this morning before I left. It was like, sorry if the camera's wobbly, like I have it balanced in here in front of me. I'm not holding it. I have my two hands on the steering wheel, so I'm safe. But it's probably wiggling and everything because the road's real bumpy here. But yeah, so I was gonna film a video this morning. It's about like this like horrible nightmare I had, and I am gonna film it like because I really want to know what it means and what's it about, and I feel like if I share it out there with the world, I might find an answer. So yeah, I'm gonna do that like this evening. But I'm gonna go to the apartment and film it because mom like has kids in the house today and they're really noisy. So yeah, and I might go like get a few family. No, actually not because I have so much to do today. I have so much to do this weekend, like project wise with assignments. And then I also have like a couple other projects going on as well that I need to like get sorted out and all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm really liking how life is at the minute. Like, you know, you like, I don't know, I'm just like in a really like positive frame of space. And this week I did have like a few days where I was like, oh, what is the point of all this? But yeah, I'm really like in a really good place at the minute, so I'm really happy with that. I'm just like very like, you know, thankful. Even though like I haven't, it's not as I'm like getting like loads of stuff, I like haven't gotten in like over 2 months, which is depressing AF. But I'm using my money to spend on better, like more important things, like, you know, opportunities and stuff. I forgot to myself going by church. But yeah, so oh my god, my phone fell. But yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing. But yeah, I'm gonna come off now because I feel like my phone's just gonna fall and then I'm gonna lose concentration. But I'll talk to you in a bit when I get to Westport. So bye. Hey guys, so I'm in Westport now, and if I'm talking really weird, it's because like this whole side of my mouth is like completely numb. I was in the dentist and I thought I was on a checkup, but I actually had to get like a filling up on this like up like there back here, and the whole like here is all like numb, so it's really weird. But yeah, so that's what I was doing. I thought it was a checkup, and I almost went crying when she goes, we're just gonna like inject here and then we'll give you like a quick filling and that'll be it. And I was like no, I don't want to do that. But yeah, so it was alright, but it feels really weird, so I'm just gonna like not talk for like a bit, and I'm gonna like drive home and just relax for the evening then, because I can't. Maybe I might be able to film a video when I go. It's so weird talking. Oh my god, okay, I'll talk to you in a bit. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm back from like Westport now. I just finished filming that video about like the horrible dream, but I'm gonna refilm it I think because I'm not really happy with how it is, because it wasn't like a scripted video or anything, so like it was a lot of like M's and likes, and it was just a very uncomfortable video for me to film because it was like a very personal one. So I think I'm gonna give it another go of filming it, and yeah, and if it doesn't turn out right the second time, I'm just not gonna put it up because I don't want videos on my channel to be like not like nice quality. So yeah, I think I'm gonna refilm it. It's kind of like annoying though because I really want to put up this evening, but I can't now. Just having a mug of green tea because gotta get that glow, you know. Yeah. It's actually not nice, but actually it's like the lemon one, so it's kind of nice. My tooth is literally like killing me now back here since I got the filling. It's like, I don't know, the numbness is worn off, so it's like very sensitive now. So it's kind of annoying, and yeah. So that's kind of a quick update of what's happened since I came back. But yeah, I think I'm gonna edit the vlog that I filmed like 2 weeks ago and upload that one this evening. Just so like there's some more content there for you to watch. A bit more entertainment, you know, yourself. But yeah. Hey guys, so it's like Saturday now and I've just like uploaded that video, like last week's vlog. And yeah, it's like such a gorgeous day today. It's so sunny. So I think Thea's coming up and we're gonna go like on an adventure or something, I don't know. We'll do something fun anyway, and yeah, I guess some pictures for Instagram or something, maybe, I don't know. We'll see.
Oh, now you're in it. Now you're in it. No! I'll take it.
Oh yeah.
So here we have James McNamara walking on the beach. Now we're gonna change angle.
Okay, oh, we're going around.
Whoa! I'm like a proper cameraman. Am I? Yeah. Dean, I'm putting you to shame. And there he goes, walking on the sand. Oh, you're not even in it.
Okay guys, I'm just going to close off this vlog now. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. It's always appreciated. And I will speak to you in the next video. Bye.
Mad ethnic right now.
I get it how I live it.